अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। रब्बिश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। आए दोस्तों, वर्बल इंटेलिजेंस टेस्ट के हवाले से नए क्वेश्चन के साथ। इफ 15th of the month falls on the day preceding Sunday, on what day will be 6th of the month fall? तो अगर आप कैलेंडर चेक करेंगे तो अगर संडे 15 तारीख को है तो 6 तारीख जो है वो जुम्मे को बनती है, गुज़िश्ता से गुज़िश्ता जुम्मा। आए एक और क्वेश्चन। इफ 20 minus 4 is equal to 10, 30 minus 6 is equal to 10, then 40 minus 8 is equal to what? So we can count this how it. If you multiply 4 into 5 comes 20. Comes means we have to multiply with 5 the other figure. The figure is going to minus from the 20 is 4, the figure is going to minus from 30 is 6, the figure is going to minus from 8. So if we are multiplying 4 with 5, it comes 20 is equal to 10. If we multiply 6 into 5 is come 30 is equal to 10. And if we multiply 5 is equal 5 with 8 is with 5 with 8, so it comes 40. 5 8s are 40, so it's also becomes the answer is 10. Okay, next question. Supply the missing figures. Okay, 10, 6, 10, 7, 11, 8, 12 and 9. So if we practice in the other book, so we can see that 6, 10, 7, 11, 8, 12, 9, 8, 12, okay, up to 8 and 12 and 9 here. So the logic is that the author, the book writer or the question maker has put it the logic that he is crossing one figure in between the figures. So we can see this 6 crossing 10 comes 7, crossing 11 comes 8, and the same way the crossing 12 comes 9. So if we see the other series, 10 crossing 7, 11 crossing 8, 12, 10, 11, 12, definitely the next will come 13. After 12, 13. So from the bottom we can count this 6, 7, 8, 9 and 13. The answer is come from here. In this series we have calculated and find the logic. So it is the answer is 13 and 10. Okay, comes on the next question. If CAFE is coded as 3165 and HIDE is coded as 8945, how will you encode HEAD? So we have to write for practice purpose here KCAFE, and the coding is just below the words, the coding. The question is composed with the two logics, so we have to find the other logic also. So if you see the H is given already, so H is given is for 8 and E is given at 2 times, its code is 5. So here we have to put the 5 for E, and A is here, it is 1, and D is okay, D is 4. It is the same, the alphabetic sequence with numbers A1, B2 and C3. So HEAD, the answer is that 8514. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। एक नए क्वेश्चन के वर्बल या नॉन वर्बल इंटेलिजेंस के हवाले से नए क्वेश्चन के साथ दोबारा इंशाल्लाह हाजिर होंगे। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू।